Senate Committee on Energy Chairperson Senator Erwin Tulfo renewed his call to completely remove system loss from electricity bills. According to Tulfo, electric cooperatives have become complacent and neglectful in upgrading their facilities because the Electric Power Industry Reform Act or EPIRA allows them to pass system loss costs onto consumers.
Hindi sila nag-invest through the years yung capital expenditure expenses para to modernize. Dahil umasa lang po sila dyan sa systems loss na yan. Bakit ako magbabago ng linya? Sisingilin ko lang naman ito si Juan si Maria. They were not investing for their expansion to improve their services. Kaya ho nanatiling mga bulok ang mga linya, kulang ang mga transmission, may problema.
Energy Regulatory Commission Chairperson Attorney Francis Owan acknowledged that while it is legally possible to remove system loss or reduce it to zero, immediately implementing such a policy could result in losses or even bankruptcy for distribution utilities and electric cooperatives. Owan proposed a phase-in implementation to give utility companies time to adjust.
Hindi po lahat ng distribution utilities ay pare-pareho ang naging performance nitong mga nakalipas na ilang taon. At marami sa mga distribution utilities, maaaring ang kanilang performance ngayon ay within the cap na naaayon sa kanilang klasifikasyon. Subalit mayroon din po na may maltataas na system losses na nararanasan at ito nga po ang dapat na tutukan.
Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian also urged electric distribution utilities to shoulder system loss costs themselves. According to Gatchalian, passing both technical and non-technical electricity losses to consumers leaves utilities with zero incentives to invest in modern technology, line upgrades, or renewable solutions. Gatchalian also said that based on their consultations with the Bureau of Internal Revenue, the value-added tax or VAT on system losses may already be removed through new ERC regulations without the need for new legislation.
We agree na pag naglabas ang ERC ng regulation, removing VAT on system losses, ang susunod niyan ay revenue regulation ng BIR, tanggal na ang VAT. At least one problem solved. No? Ang susunod na lang ay itong batas na pinag-uusapan natin. To date, merong 11 laws, 11 proposals ang Senate. Dalawa na lang ay majority na ng Senado.
Meanwhile, Tulfo questioned the weak enforcement of RA 7832 or the Anti-Pilferage Act. Based on the Philippine National Police data, only 21 of the 469 cases involving violation of RA 7832 recorded from 2022 to August 18, 2026 have resulted in convictions or court rulings. The violations include illegal tapping and tampering with electric meters. Bernard Ferrer for The Nation.